In front of me is Fairphone 5 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Photos and tapping on Photos or Library at the bottom. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hold one of your photos you wish to get rid of. And to select multiple right away, use those dots at the top right corners. To keep some of your photos, click on them. And to get rid of the rest, use this bin at the top of Library section or at the bottom of Photos 1. Then choose Got It and move to Trash. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!